Right here I have the perfect gym storage rack that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ, and instead of keeping all of your gym equipment scattered all over the place and on the ground, this nice storage rack puts everything in a nice place. This is really amazing and has roll wheels. You can actually spin this around 360 degrees, and there's even locks on a couple of these wheels to keep it in place. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, so you can actually get this in black or white. I opted for the black because it just looks nice and sleek to fit my aesthetic. But as you can see here, I have my yoga mat on the side here. I put my roller here, a little bit of exercise equipment, the ab roller up there, and the foam roller fit nice on the side. So I do like how they have a nice cutout that goes all the way through, so you can put some foam rollers or yoga mats in that place. You even get these nice hangers, so there are a decent amount of these, so you could just hang little tiny pieces of equipment that might be hard to store somewhere else. Couple bands in place, and then I don't have a yoga ball, but this spot over here is meant for a yoga ball and will actually fit it really nice on the side. It even has an arch going up so that it won't roll off. Now check out these wheels. These wheels are going to be rubberized, so if you do have this on a hardwood surface, it's not going to scratch your floor at all, and they roll really smoothly 360 degrees. We do have a nice little basket here on the bottom with the holder, but I put the yoga mat in that spot and it looked really nice and worked well. We do have an extra bar in the back on that side, so I would say that this is more so the front of it, and then that's kind of a shelf so things don't fall off the back, and that's really nice. Each one of these sections is going to hold about 60 pounds per section, so you can put a ton of stuff. This one has a little bit different of a material. It's kind of like a graded look on the bottom, maybe so you can just put some items that could potentially fall through, maybe some dumbbells on the bottom there as well. But these on the side work well as handles, so you can just drag this anywhere you want to go. Overall, this is really nice, and it keeps your gym equipment organized and in place. I highly recommend this. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.